Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and today's topic of the video is 10 brand names you are mispronouncing. Now it is not that they might be accurate, but these are the correct and widely accepted pronunciations. So watch this video till end, get entertained and do subscribe to my channel. So this is pronounced as IKEA. It is not IKEA, it is IKEA. Now in many countries this brand is pronounced as Porsche or Porsche, but if you check in the Indian accent it is pronounced as Posh. So R and E needs to be silent and it is Posh. This is pronounced as Adobe. It is Adobe, not Adobe, not Adobe, it is Adobe, Adobe. So this is a French word. This is pronounced as Renault. It shouldn't be Renault, Renault. It should be Renault, Renault. So I think this many of you might be knowing, but again, so this is pronounced as Shevarle. It is not Chevrolet, not Chevrolet. It is Shevarle. This is pronounced the same. It is Hyundai. It is not Hyundai or Honda. It is not any of these. It is Hyundai. Again, this is most commonly mispronounced. It is not Lamborghini, Lamborghini. It is Lambogheenee. You have to be little lavish also. You have to call it Lamborghini. This is a Chinese brand and it is not XIAOMI, not Xiaomi. It is Shaumee. Xiaomi. It is not Xiaomi. It is Xiaomee. Xiaomee. Again, many people call it Leewise, but again, at the end, you have to have that Z sound. So it should be Leewise. It should be Leewise. Leewise. Lastly, it is not ASUS or ASUS. It is ASUS. 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 I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Now it is not that you have to use these only pronunciations all of the time. Sometimes even I call it Lamborghini because the person standing next to me would not understand, so I have to use the wrong pronunciation. That's fine, we are human beings, but it is very fun to know the correct pronunciations of so and so words. So my job is to spread knowledge and your job is to watch or take. That depends upon you. So if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe, and also do let me know in the comment section below, what more content would you like me to make. Thank you and have a bright day.